Today's the big game. I'm here in Amsterdam. What am I gonna do? It's a good thing I've heard of this new char grilled chicken joint that opened up here in Amsterdam. So let's go check it out. Haandose, Amsterdam's newest grilled chicken joint. So if you're looking for some nice grilled chicken, definitely check these guys out. We'll pick up some of their chicken wings and mac and cheese. Enjoy at the Tailgate at home for the big game. Can't wait to try this out. So just got back from Haandose. These chicken wings look delicious. What a perfect treat for my at-home tailgate tonight. Let's go try them out. Oh, and go Bills. Try these out. These look great. Ooh, it smells amazing. Smells like summer, honestly. Smells like summer. Smells like that barbecue, char grilled deliciousness. And that blue cheese, you know, come on. Chicken wings without blue cheese, you just can't do it. And if you're doing it, then you're not from Buffalo. So you gotta have the blue cheese with the chicken wings if you're from Buffalo. So big shout out to Haandose. Doing it right, doing it right. These grilled chicken wings look fantastic. Nice symmetrical char on there, guys. And beautiful, nice symmetrical char. Wow, these look amazing. Alright, let's try these out right now. Open up that blue cheese. Oh yeah, look at that blue cheese right there. Alright, let's give this a whirl. Wow, that is a good chicken wing. Let's go in for a drumstick. Check that out. Oh, this blue cheese is amazing. Now, that's a good chicken wing. That's a really, really good chicken wing, guys. So if you want nice, symmetrical, char grilled chicken wing, check out Haandose. Oh, go Bills. bite. Mmm. That's good chicken.